One of these cookware sets is clearly better, and it's not the one with 4 times more reviews. After analyzing over 15,000 verified buyer reports across both sets, the head-to-head between Caraway's 12-piece and Our Place's 13-piece comes down to 5 rounds. One side sweeps 3 of them, the other pulls off an upset most buyers would bet against. Quick heads up, links below our affiliate, doesn't cost you a cent extra. Stick around because the round that decides this whole thing isn't the one you're expecting. Here's the setup. 2 flagship non-toxic sets, both ceramic-coated. Both PFAS-free, PFOA-free, PTFE-free, lead-free, and cadmium-free. We're running them through 5 rounds: build and materials, cooking performance, kitchen footprint, long-term durability, and warranty. Clear winner each round. One side costs noticeably more than the other, so the cheaper set needs to actually justify the gap. And it doesn't go the direction you'd guess. First up, the Caraway 12-piece. This is the set you've seen all over Instagram. And the review data backs the hype. 12,000 verified reviews, 4.5 stars average. That's a brutal sample size to maintain at that rating. The set includes a 10.5-inch fry pan, a 3-quart saucepan, a 4.5-quart sauté pan, and a 6.5-quart Dutch oven. All 4 come with lids. But here's the part nobody talks about. The box also ships with 4 magnetic modular pan racks and a canvas lid holder. Caraway is the only ceramic set that includes its own organization system. The build is pressure cast aluminum with stainless steel handles. Oven safe to 550 degrees, the highest in the ceramic category. The honest knock? It's hand wash only. Reviewers who tossed it in the dishwasher killed the coating in under a year. Follow the rules and the lifetime warranty kicks in. Skip them and you're on your own. Now the challenger, Our Place 13-piece. Smaller review pool, 3,000 verified at 4.4 stars, but the engineering story is wild. The whole pitch is that 4 pieces of cookware replace 36 traditional ones. The always pan 2 sears, sautés, steams, braises, and fries. The perfect pot boils, stews, strains, and bakes. Each one does 8 to 10 jobs. The lids self-based and have built-in strainers, so you drain pasta without grabbing a colander. The set also includes a mini always pan, a mini perfect pot, a beechwood spatula, a spoon, and a stainless steamer basket that nests inside the pot. Coating is thermokind ceramic. Same toxin-free profile as Caraway. Core is 100% recycled aluminum. Oven safe to 450 degrees, induction ready. The catch? 3-year warranty versus lifetime. Reviewers say the coating holds up beautifully for 18 to 24 months. After that, mixed reports. We'll come back to that. Round 1. Build and materials. Both sets use aluminum cores and ceramic coatings. But the construction differs. Caraway uses pressure-cast aluminum with stainless steel handles. Our Place uses 100% recycled aluminum. Sustainability win for Our Place. Structural rigidity win for Caraway. Reviewer reports on warping after a year tilt the same way. Fewer complaints on the Caraway side. Round 1 goes to Caraway. Round 2. Cooking performance. Here's the upset. Caraway has more pieces with traditional shapes. Easy bet, right? But verified reviewers tell a different story. The Always Pan's domed self-basting lid keeps moisture circulating. Buyers report juicier chicken, better risotto, and more even braises than they got from their old cookware. The strainer lids mean less pan swapping. For everyday cooking, Our Place takes round 2. We're halfway. It's tied 1-1. 3 rounds left, and one of them flips this whole thing. The counterintuitive winner I teased at the start, still coming. Don't bounce. The next round is where most buyers make the wrong call. Round 3. Kitchen footprint. If you live in an apartment, this round matters more than any other. Caraway ships with magnetic pan racks, great organization, but you still need cabinet space for 12 pieces. Our Place nests. The mini pan slides into the always pan. The steamer drops into the perfect pot. Everything stacks. Reviewers in small kitchens say it freed up an entire shelf. Round 3. Our place against. Round 4. Long-term durability. This is where ceramic cookware lives or dies. Both sets shine in year 1. But check the 18-month review marks. Our place sees a noticeable cluster of coatingware complaints around the 2-year line. Caraway, your cross 12,000 reviews, keep that complaint rate measurably lower. The 550-degree oven rating versus 450 also signals a tougher coating spec. Round 4 to Caraway. Tied 2-2. Round 5. Warranty and trust. Caraway, limited lifetime manufacturer warranty. Our place, 3 years plus a 100-day trial on the brand site. The trial is genuinely nice. But lifetime is lifetime. And 12,000 verified reviews at 4.5 stars is a track record 3,000 reviews can't match yet. Round 5, Caraway. Final score, 3 rounds to 2. The overall winner is the Caraway 12-piece cookware set. Here's why it matters. Caraway didn't win because it's more expensive. It won because the data says it lasts longer, the warranty actually protects you, and 12,000 verified reviews can't be faked. The counterintuitive moment. Our place beat Caraway on cooking performance and footprint. 2 rounds, nobody bets the smaller brand challenger to winch. So, this isn't a blowout. It's a clear win with real caveats. If you cook in a tight kitchen and value multifunctional design, you might still pick the loser. And that's a legitimate call. Quick buyer guide. If you want a cookware set you can hand down, pick the Caraway 12-piece. The lifetime warranty and the 550-degree oven sealing do the heavy lifting. If you live in a small kitchen and want every pan to pull triple duty, pick the Our Place 13-piece. The nesting design and self-basting lids genuinely earn their spot. Both sets are non-toxic. Both are top-rated. Neither one is a mistake. All the links are in the description. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. We drop a fresh comparison every few days. Thanks for watching.